Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and I love my new curly hair. Today I am going to be doing my 1 month update on using the curly girl method. I've got my big bag of stuff that I use over here and I'm going to kind of go through step by step and tell you how things are going. Okay, first let's just take a look at my hair. I am shocked. I cannot believe this is my hair. I always thought it was straight in the front and just kind of wavy in the back, and I wanted to enhance that a little bit. Well, I mean, it's a little frizzy because it is dry as the Sahara right now in North Dakota, so I'm trying my damnedest to get as much moisture into it as I can. And also I washed it yesterday, so this is slept on second day hair. But I can't believe, I've got actual curls. I've got curls in my hair. I'll share a before picture here somewhere or here or however it's going to be in editing that shows what my natural hair was prior to this. But this is it. All I do is my shower routine and then I'll hit it a little bit with a diffuser, and this is kind of what I get after I crunch it out. I did cut it. I will say this. Curly girls are total DIYers. They make their own hair serums, they find out what t-shirt to wear to dry out their hair, and they cut their own hair. So I've learned from some of the girls in my other groups, and now I have little bangs and I've got a little bit of layers in there, and I cut probably about 1.5 inches off the ends, which I will credit to making it look so much better, because this part down here was super straight and wouldn't do anything, and it was just super damaged. So it was really nice to get that out of there, and it really helps in how it looks. So we're gonna go through my normal shower routine. What I do, and this is, everybody's gonna kind of have their own thing that you figure out as you go along the way, is I wash my hair every time. A lot of people choose not to. They will just co-wash with a conditioner, but I find that how my scalp works, it works really, and the fact that I only wash my hair every third to fourth day, I need to shampoo. And I use a really gentle, made for curls, super hydrating shampoo. And this is what I've talked about before, and I'm still really, really liking it. I will probably try something different after I'm out of this bottle, but for now, this one is my jam. It's the Tahitian Gardenia Flower Mango Butter Curl Defining Shampoo from Not Your Mother's Naturals. And actually on Black Friday, I got the conditioner that goes along with this, and also a combing curl cream, I think is what they call it, from Ulta on their Black Friday sale, because these were buy one, get one free. That's a crazy deal. Usually they're buy one, get one 30% off, but buy one, get one free, so I could not pass that up. I got 2 more products that I'll be trying, and I'll let you guys know how I like that. So I shampoo. After I shampoo, I will grab my Suave, super cheap, this family size giant bottle, $1.99. It's great. It's got no sulfates, parabens, silicones, any of that stuff. So this is perfect and curly girl approved. It's a really good detangler, and it's a pretty light conditioner. I really like to use a lighter conditioner because I also use a leave-in conditioner. I will say now, as we're talking about conditioners, that here's what you need. I use this, and then I comb through my hair with this big wide tooth comb just to get, this is the point where you detangle. I don't comb my hair between washes and shower time, so this is the time that I comb my hair and get all of my tangles out. Also, because I don't comb my hair, and this is pretty much how most people with curly hair work, is you get all of your fallout in the shower. So here's another thing that I highly recommend, is this shower stopper. It's not a stopper, it's a thing, but it's got hair in it, but it's got these little teeth that catches the hair so it doesn't go down the drain, and the amount of hair that comes out is foul. So if you're kind of gross about hair, maybe have somebody else clean it out, but definitely get something that catches your hair for you, because you're going to have a lot of fallout in the shower. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's totally normal. It's just typically when you brush your hair or comb your hair on a daily or more than once a day basis, that's when you lose your fallout hair. But now that you don't comb your hair on a daily basis, it's going to come out in the shower when you go through it with your product, when you comb your product into your hair. So get a stopper, save yourself some time and energy digging it out later and using Drano, because it is quite a bit of fallout. So condition, use the leave-in conditioner from Cantu. Oh my God, this was the game changer for my hair. It was, I didn't know, I mean, I knew, because that's what everybody says is, curly girl method puts moisture in your hair. Well, I figured this was enough, and doing a mask every once in a while would be great. Nuh-uh. This stuff, game changer. I put in about 2 good handfuls of this. It's a cream, kind of thick formula. I put in about 2 good handfuls of this every time I take a shower, and I really scrunch it in, just so you can even hear the like noise when you scrunch your hair, and it has made all the difference in like my curl definition and how my hair feels. It's typically not this frizzy. Yeah, this was the game changer, and I really like this brand because they're very affordable. This was $5. This next thing I'm going to show you is my activating curl cream activator, also from Cantu. It smells, and the thing about these is they smell so good. This is also, it's a moisturizing product, so this is a hair cream that kind of helps to activate your curls and keep your curl defined during the day, but also puts in a bunch of moisture. I love this. So these two together, I got this first and I really liked it, so I thought I would try this. Game changer. Just all like how healthy and supple my hair looks and feels is due to all of the moisture that's going into it. And then finally, I use my cheap sport gel. It's from LA Looks. It doesn't have much of a scent, which I really appreciate. It holds a really nice cast. So after I do those two, I scrunch a palm full of this into my hair, because what it's going to do is take my hair while it's curly, hold it really nice and tight, and then when it dries I can scrunch it all out like this, and it makes it just look soft and pretty and like curls, not crunchy 90s what we all thought was curls. This stuff is thebomb.com. So that's pretty much my daily routine, and that's it. It seems like quite a few products, but if you think about the fact that I do this once every 3 to 4 days, and that's pretty much it for my hair, it's really not much, and it's all in the shower. Some other things that I've used is I found this Fructis mask. They call it a 1-minute mask. I do this once a week. No, once every other week, I would say. It smells really good. It was pretty inexpensive. I use this in place of this when I do this, and usually I'll do the mask when I do a deep clean. So I have found that I've done my initial like deep clean wash with this, and then I've done one more because I do get a little bit of buildup on my hair. Just because of my hair texture, it doesn't absorb everything like some people with curly or more porous hair does. So I did do another deep clean, and it felt so good, and it made everything is better. So I'll do this probably once a month, once every 6 weeks. I don't know. We'll see just kind of how my hair goes. But then again, this is that really inexpensive Suave deep clarifying conditioner, and then go in with the hair mask. I really like this one. It smells good. They have like 6 different types. So kind of no matter what your hair type is, Fructis has one for you. Okay, so that's the in the shower. Once I'm out of the shower, I wrap up my hair in my beautiful t-shirt, whatever is on top of the stack of clean clothes that day. So I kind of sit in that for 10-20 minutes, or just while I'm doing whatever around the house. And then once I take my hair down, I dry it, and just a little bit, just to kind of define my curls. And I just use this diffuser. It's nothing special. It's the one that came with my hair dryer. There are some really fancy ones. There's ones that are really big if you have a lot of hair. There's one that Diva Curl makes that kind of looks like a hand that you use for your hair, but I'm finding this one works great. It came with my hair dryer. And I think that also really helps with defining my curls and kind of setting that cast. So that's what I do when I'm out of the shower, and then once it's fully dry, I scrunch it all out and I'm on my way. So here are some other little things that I just kind of keep around that I use a lot. This spray bottle I use to refresh my curls in the morning. So I will go to sleep with my hair on top of my head in a satin or kind of silky scrunchie. I think it's satin. It's a sleep scrunchie, but it's nice. It holds all my hair, and I put it right up here in a pineapple, and then in the morning I take it down and kind of shake everything and let gravity take its course. And then this spray bottle has a good 2 squirts of this conditioner in it and water, and just kind of shake it up. It's really good for refreshing your hair. It's so good when the weather's really dry and you just kind of need a little bit of extra moisture. This is a really great thing that I use to reactivate my curls. Some people will do like spray it down and get everything wet and then go back in with, you know, their product and redo it. But I find that what I have from my product in the shower is left over enough the next day that I can just spray it with some water, give it a couple of scrunches, and let it air dry, and it looks great. All right, that is kind of my routine now with my new curly girl hair. I will give some more updates as we go, but I'm kind of feeling that I'm falling into my routine and really liking it. I'll share some new products that I find along the way, and I think I'll do just a 2-month check-in. I know that they say about 3 months is when you're gonna really see what your hair, you know, it looks like as a final product. But so far, I am surprised, I'm shocked, I'm happy, people have asked me if I got a perm. I can't believe that this is, you know, hiding underneath my hair. All right, that is pretty much it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want some more information about the curly hair method, I will share some links to other channels below that really go into it in depth. And there is the Reddit subreddit of / curly hair has a ton of information, way more than I have. And with that, I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can be here for all of the curly goodness. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a super wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye, 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 bye.